If you're serious about your coffee, the grind matters. Today we're looking at the HAVMORE G2, a precision manual coffee grinder built like a tool, not a toy. It features CNC machined stainless steel burrs hardened to HRC 58 for sharp, consistent grinding. The dual bearing shaft ensures stability, so every grind is even, whether you're making espresso, pour over, or French press. The diamond textured body gives a secure grip, and the adjustable steel ball click mechanism lets you dial in your grind size with clear, precise clicks. From fine espresso to coarse French press, it's all repeatable. With a sleek walnut wood accent, a 20-gram glass catch cup, and a solid 500-gram build, it's portable enough for travel but robust enough for daily home use. For the home barista who values control and consistency, this grinder delivers. Ready to upgrade your grind? Check the link in the description below to see the HAVMORE G2 and buy yours now. Thanks for watching, and grind fresh, brew better.